Layer your stabs like a pro. Smart layering equals richer sound. Layer 1, deep foundation. A plucky envelope, sine sub, wide saw, and monster 2 for extra flavor. Layer 2, grit and texture. Add frequency modulation and more frequencies with an open filter. Layer 3, extreme. Use phasing oscillators, a rounded saw, and a fast modulated band filter. Pro tip, map all 3 layers to one knob using macros like pitch bend for easy control. Don't forget, separate each patch with EQ and apply distortion, phaser, reverb, and delay to your patches to taste. Try it out.
Let's go, 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 let's go.